Finally, I get to go shopping with my favorite family at Partridge Creek Mall. I'm so excited. Come on, let's get a buggy. I'm tired of walking. This is a life. I can really get around in this thing. I think the red dress would look better on you, Mom. Wow, look, who's that happy dog in the mirror? Okay, I had enough sitting around here. I want to get out, guys. This is not what I meant by getting out. Finally, I get to get out in the open with nice, fresh air. This mall sure is nice to sniff around and have some fun. Ooh, look, charming Charlie's. Ooh, I'm gonna go look for some jewelry with Mom. Ooh, that's so pretty and nice. Oh, look, another dog for me to hang out with. Oh, wait, no, it's fake. I think I'll just smell this bush instead. Hey, watch where you're going there, mister. Well, I guess we better be going back to the car then. I'll see you guys all in there. Oh, I'm so exhausted. I'm just gonna take a nice long nap. Oh yeah, and remember to like and subscribe to Jake's channel. Thank you, and have a great day.